Some people see English as a threat. Let's explore how it's actually a powerful tool.
It's a real conflict, right? Pride in your mother tongue, but pressure to learn English. We get it.
Think of it like this. Your mother tongue is a hammer. English, it's a Swiss Army knife. Let me tell you about someone named Ravi. He was brilliant, but he really struggled in interviews.
He lost out on 3 job offers, not because of his skills, but because of the language barrier.
But with some practice, he got a new tool. Same Ravi, just now everyone could hear his ideas. And it's not just jobs. A YouTuber's cooking channel exploded after she added some simple English subtitles. Her recipes didn't change. English just gave her a bigger stage, a way to turn up the volume.
Look, history and the internet basically chose English as the world's bridge language. You don't have to love it.
But think about it. Who is actually speaking English around the world? The answer is pretty wild.
Get this. Non-native speakers, people just like us, are the massive majority. It's not even close.
So let that sink in. We aren't outsiders in this language. We are this language.
So never apologize for your accent. It just tells the world you know more than one language.
Okay, let's bust some myths that hold people back. Myth number 1. Is English only for the elite?
No way! English is a skill, not something you're born with. And anyone can learn a skill.
All right, what about this one? The idea that having a strong accent will automatically hold you back.
Nope, some of the most powerful people in the world have accents. Clarity is what matters, not the accent.
And the biggest myth of all, the one we all tell ourselves, is it just too late to learn?
Not a chance. Your brain can learn at any age. Honestly, the only bad time to start is later.
So putting the myths aside, what does this tool really unlock for you in the real world?
Well, it's a ticket to better jobs, the full internet, global travel, deeper knowledge, and something else.
The biggest reward, though? It's confidence. It's knowing you can walk into any room and be understood.
Look, you don't need to be Shakespeare. You just need enough English to be heard clearly and confidently.
Your ideas are worth sharing with the world. English is the bridge. So, are you ready to build it?